Across India, a rail revolution is underway. This 50-odd kilometer stretch of new roadbed is a part of the 3,360 plus kilometer DFC or Dedicated Freight Corridor. India's most ambitious railway project ever. The scale is stunning. This new track construction machine, or NTC, is about 330 meters long. Alignment is marked. The ballast is leveled. The rail line is ready to install. The NTC machine is capable of carrying 260-meter long rails, minimizing the need for on-site welding. Used for the very first time in India, the NTC machine deploys state-of-the-art computer control systems. All data, such as sleeper spacing specifications, goes into the computer. Digital sensors manage quality control at every step, such as linking track, robotic gantries shift sleepers from the rear of the NTC machine to the front for installation. Guide rails steer the gantries on the bedrock as the gantries place each unit along the path. Every meter of DFC line is laid by automation. Today, the NTC machine lays as much as 1.5 kilometers of track, attended by only 15 to 20 workers.